Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a personal success story about totally transforming hair. Not by heading to the store, but by looking in the kitchen cabinet. It's a really cool journey from frustration to flourishing, all thanks to a couple of simple, natural ingredients. So, let me ask you something. Have you ever looked in the mirror and just felt like your hair is stuck? You're trying product after product, but it feels like it's just getting by, just surviving instead of actually thriving. Well, that exact feeling is where this whole story begins. This journey kicks off in a place we all know way too well, the hair care aisle. It's that endless cycle, right? You get your hopes up, you buy the new miracle product with the great looking label, and then disappointment. And this really captures that conflict perfectly. On one side, you've got the ads promising this perfect, shiny, healthy hair. But on the other side, well, that's the reality for a lot of us. Hair that just feels dull, maybe a little brittle, and just weighed down no matter what we throw at it. It's a really frustrating and expensive treadmill to be on. So what happens when you decide to just step off that treadmill? This is where the story gets good. It's a turning point. That decision to stop looking for answers on a shelf and to start, creating them yourself at home. This is where the experiment really kicks off. This quote says it all. It's the core realization. It wasn't just a minor thing. It was this huge discovery that hair can actually thrive on homemade recipes in a way it never ever did with the commercial stuff. It's a total mindset shift, really. You go from being a consumer to a creator. Now, the awesome thing about this whole DIY journey is that it wasn't about trying 100 different things. Nope. Instead, it all boiled down to two standout all-natural ingredients that just made all the difference. They became the foundation for this whole new level of hair health. So, the first hero ingredient is this fragrant herb you've probably got in your kitchen right now. Rosemary. We all know it's great for cooking, but for hair care, it's amazing. People have used it for ages to help stimulate the scalp and promote really strong, healthy growth. It's pretty much the first pillar of this whole DIY success story. And the second key discovery? Clove. This powerful little spice is absolutely packed with beneficial compounds. When it comes to hair, it's known for nourishing follicles and helping to strengthen the hair shaft. You put that together with rosemary, and you've got a seriously potent combination. Okay, so having the ingredients is one thing, but how are they actually used? Well, the first recipe is this rosemary oat co-wash. The whole idea here is to make a cleanser that's super gentle, one that doesn't strip away all your hair's natural oils like a lot of shampoos do. The rosemary cleanses and stimulates, and then the oats come in with this soothing, moisturizing effect. And I know what you might be thinking. That sounds complicated, but honestly, making it is surprisingly simple. It really just comes down to three main steps: infusing your water, blending everything together, and then straining it to get this final creamy co-wash. It's like a little bit of alchemy you can do right in your own kitchen. The second recipe in this dynamic duo is a clove oil infusion. This one is all about getting that potent care directly to the scalp. By steeping cloves in a carrier oil, you're pulling out all those powerful compounds to create this amazing elixir that really focuses on nourishing the roots and fortifying the hair from the very start. So, what was the actual result of swapping a cabinet full of products for these two simple homemade recipes? Well, let me tell you, it wasn't just a small change. It was a total transformation. And this, right here, this is the why. This is what it was all about. The results were real things you could see and feel: better texture, actual new growth, and just an overall vitality that was totally missing before. The hair wasn't just surviving anymore, held together by temporary fixes. It was genuinely, actively thriving. This whole journey really leads us with a final, thought-provoking question. When you see how a simple switch to rosemary and clove could create such a huge transformation, it really makes you wonder, maybe the best solution for your hair isn't sitting on a shelf somewhere, but it's actually waiting for you in your own kitchen. So what secret ingredient is your hair waiting for?